everyone, welcome back. If you see a payment fail error in the Westpac app, first check that you have enough balance in your account, then confirm that your internet is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so at the moment, just make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then double check the recipient details, including account numbers and BSB before trying the payment. If the error continues, wait a few minutes and try again, as the system may be temporarily busy. For repeated failures, contact Westpac support to confirm there are no restrictions on your account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.